portable explosion-proof LED tank light with Wheelbarrow Cart from Larson Electronics produces 42,000 lumens of light, capable of illuminating an area 20,000 square feet in size. This adjustable Cree LED unit is designed for maximum portability and durable, versatile operation. This unit is part of the QC series, providing a quick disconnect mounting system and compatibility with several additional mounting solutions. This unit features an inline Class 1 Division 1 explosion-proof transformer that steps down the input voltage from 120 to 277 volt AC down to 24 volt DC. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. A special heat-dissipating design in conjunction with LED technology helps this fixture to achieve an excellent 60,000 hour rated lifespan with 80% lumen retention. This portable LED fixture features two integrated LED light heads that produce a brilliant flood pattern of light and are ideal for illuminating enclosed areas and hazardous location areas where flammable vapors, gases, and dusts may be present. This explosion-proof LED fixture is paint spray booth listed, IP67 rated, dust-proof, and protected against high-pressure jets and temporary submersion. The cast aluminum body and LED lamp give this light excellent durability and resistance to vibration and impacts. The inline transformer in this light can sense and adjust input current to provide protection against voltage spikes and drops. This explosion-proof portable lighting system is equipped with 100 feet of 12-3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an explosion-proof cord cap for easy connection to explosion-proof outlets. Plug options include the following. This light is offered with beam angle options. Color temperature options are also available. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.